Hello! In this video, I'm going to run through all the ways that we can make DESMOS do the most. It's important to say that DESMOS is a tool that can help you be more accurate and efficient. It can't replace knowledge. But once you've got the basics, adding DESMOS can increase how effective you are at showing your skills on your test. DESMOS is a calculator that can perform lots of functions by clicking the gray keyboard button in the bottom left, as well as many more in the functions window. You can also type the name of the function into the line. Remember, it needs to be all lowercase or it won't recognize it as a function. Here, I'm in degree mode. You can switch to radians using the wrench in the top right corner. Whenever DESMOS gives you an answer, you can click the fraction convert button to change the decimals into fractions and vice versa. DESMOS also has statistic functions like mean or median. Just enter the data set into the parentheses with a comma in between each term. This is great when questions ask you to compare median and mode because you can just copy and paste the terms from one operation to the next. You can also find the missing value by adding a non-x or y into the terms list and using the slider to adjust its value. It's also helpful for advanced graphing operations like distance and midpoint. Simply enter each coordinate pair in its own set of parentheses and separate the pairs of parentheses with a comma. DESMOS can also be used to solve functions or linear equations. Just type in the equation and see where the line crosses the x-axis. This also works with polynomial functions or questions that ask about intersections, zeros, or other visual features. Systems are also super easy in DESMOS. Just graph each line separately and see where they intersect. You can also use the sliders to help solve questions asking about a particular number of solutions. Just add a non-x or y variable and move the slider until you have the appropriate number of solutions. DESMOS can also quickly solve functions in functions. Simply add each function into its own line and it will calculate the value. And that's it. DESMOS can be very accurate and efficient on your tests, but remember, sometimes you are the best calculator that you'll ever need. It often takes longer to type in 2 to the third power than just knowing it's 8. With practice, you'll be able to decide where and when to use this powerful tool on your next digital test.